How to change your currency on the Shein app. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can change currency on the Shein app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change currency on Shein, go ahead and launch the Shein application here. Once you launch the Shein app, you will see this type of interface where you can tap the Me icon from the bottom right, then tap the gear icon from the top right corner, which is the settings icon. Once you're here, you'll find the option called currency. Currently I have USD selected, so I can tap on it and then just make sure to choose Euros, GBP, CHF or whatever else I prefer. Now remember that the options within the currency tab depends upon what country you choose. So first of all, you can also just go to location and make sure to choose a proper country that you wish. After that, you will be able to choose the currency of that particular country. This way you can change currency on Shein. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.